Well guys, today's the big day. We're bringing her back to the barn. So this has been sitting under here for a year or two, season or two. And we picked up a trailer, borrowed from a friend of ours with a bit of a ramp system. Actually, I did a quick review of this particular trailer a while back. I'll link the video to the end of this video, but we're gonna try pulling that car with the winch out here and onto this trailer. Wish us luck. One flat tire. I'm not sure if the steering works. I don't even know if the cable's long enough. So this will be an interesting feat. Well, she's in the shop, guys. We trailered her over here and got her onto some skates and just kind of shoehorned her in. This thing hasn't been worked on in years, and it's not actually too far away from running. It just needs to be put together and had some mechanical love. So we're going to give it that the next little bit here, this fall and winter. You just see how much dust there is. There's the old LT1. That's out of a 96 car. It's going to be fun to get that thing going. What we're going to do is pull off this front end and install the rad support by itself, and then get this motor hooked up and running. There's the computer right there. Yeah, so stay tuned for some more videos, because there's going to be some cool ones coming out on this project. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of it. It's going to be exciting when this thing finally runs. Thanks for watching.